I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Audi Q7 fuel tank. Only ways. Start by unlocking the vehicle with the key fob or interior unlock button, then approach the fuel door on the driver's side and gently press the edge to pop it open. If it does not release, locate the manual pull tab inside the trunk area near the fuel fill and pull firmly while a helper presses the fuel door. Approach the driver's side and look for a dedicated fuel door release button or lever, typically on the lower dash or by the driver's seat. Press or pull it while listening for a soft click that signals the door has unlocked. If you cannot find the release, open the trunk and inspect the right side for a manual emergency release cable. Pull it with steady force to free the fuel door and then close the trunk gently. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tips. Quick recommendation: bring a little convenience to your garage with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and music while you work. I've placed a link and other deals in the video description for easy access, and it pairs great with shop routines. Now let's get back to the video. When electronic release fails, access the trunk and fold the rear seats if needed to reach the fuel filler area inside the trunk well. Look for a small manual cable or tab and grasp it firmly between fingers. Pull with steady, even force until the fuel door pops free. Avoid jerking motions that could damage the cable. After opening, inspect the latch for debris and gently operate the door to confirm smooth function before refueling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.